Okay, good afternoon again. Let's straight in on these then this morning. Start with the usual long-term view of the ES. So daily chart, 5 up, 2 back, 5 up, expanded flat for the 2 back. And I think we're just approaching what should be the top of the 1 of this 3. So possibly a little higher today, then a pullback, and then we should be headed to at least this 123.6 fib here at 3015. But the lower time frame projections for the subwaves in the SPX suggest that we are likely to extend in this 3 of 3. So I'm looking for at least that and possibly more. But coming down the time frames a little, if we come down to the 4-hour chart, you can see this is the target zone for the top of the 1 between the 38.2 and 618. So that's the length of this wave 1 projected up off this 2. That's the range we expect it to complete in. We're just shy of the 38.2, which is the minimum end of that range at the moment. So I'd expect to push up to at least there this morning and probably higher, I would think. Just coming down again to an hourly time frame, and we've got through the resistance. This last part of the pattern, I think possibly 1, 2, 3. We're going to get a 4, 5 in some sort of diagonal. It's rather messy, as those of you that were in the room yesterday will have experienced since here. But we've got an hourly squeeze in play. It's done its job pretty much already. It's 4 bars in, and the momentum hasn't been great, but then it has been outside of normal trading hours. So let's see what we get this morning, but I'm expecting a push up here. Watch 28.66 through 28.74 with a possibility we blow on all the way up to 28.80 area before we then start the wave 2 back in ES. And just coming down to a 15-minute time frame, you can see if this is a diagonal off here, where are we here? So I've got an A, B, C for a 1, 2, A, B, C for a 3, A, B, C for a 4, A, B. This would put us in the C of the 5 of the diagonal to complete 5 up. We've already hit the 1768 at 28.64, but it doesn't look complete to me. This looks like a 1, 2, 3 of 3 even, 4, 5, 4, 5 still to higher. So these are the fibs on this chart to watch above the one we've just hit at 28.66, 28.70, 28.75. If we take out those, then we'll watch for levels up to 28.80 and possibly even higher. It can extend. So that's what I've got this morning on the ES. Just coming down to a 5-minute time frame. It's already given you one nice trade this morning. If you took it, we broke out through both the upper blue and orange lines this morning down here at 28.60 and pushed straight up to nearly 65. So nice scalp this morning for those of you that were up and about early. And I think this is just a 4th that we're pulling back in, and we should see higher again after the open.